What do you use fingerspelling for? There's people's names. That's when you would use fingerspelling. Brand names. So like Nike, McDonald's, Walmart, you know, stores, brand names, things like that. You would use fingerspelling for those. Book and movie titles and cities, states that you may not know the sign for, or maybe it doesn't have a sign, you would use fingerspelling. But if there's just a general word that you don't know the sign for, then you wouldn't necessarily fingerspell it. So say I did not know the sign for water. Prop lesson. Say I didn't know the sign for water. Then I would instead expand. I would not fingerspell water. I would expand on it and I would say, you know, you drink it, you can see through it, it's clear, it rains, that. I expand on it. I don't fingerspell it. Instead, I expand and I try to describe it. You also, when you're reading fingerspelling, which is what the receptive game helps with, when you're reading the fingerspelling, you want to try to practice focusing on the whole word, not just individual letters. By practicing focusing on the whole word, you are able to pick up fingerspelled words faster. The way I like to teach my students is by telling them that it's kind of like playing hangman or Wheel of Fortune. You have missed letters in the middle of a word, and in your head, you have to try to figure out, okay, what is the context of the sentence? What are we talking about? And these are the letters that I know. In the place of those letters, what could this word possibly be? That is the best way to look at fingerspelling when you're just starting out. Even me, who's been doing this for 13 years, that's how I look at it. If I come across somebody that's fingerspelled a word and I miss it, or I have no idea what they just said, that's how I try to figure it out.